In today's video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Bitget wallet to Binance Exchange. For that, you need to first of all launch your Bitget wallet, and here tap on the more option on the home page. Now tap on send, and here it will show you all of the tokens that you have in your account. So you just have to simply select that particular crypto which you want to basically transfer from your Bitget wallet. So let's say I want to transfer Tron, so you simply need to select that particular crypto. Now it will show you the network of it as well. So if you tap on the network, you will be able to see the networks that you can select. So for this video, I'm gonna keep it on the TRC20 network, which is the main network of TRX. Now you just have to find the receiving address, and in order to find it, you need to launch your Binance mobile application. Now on the home page, tap on the add funds option and select deposit crypto. Now you need to search for the same crypto that you have selected in your Bitget wallet, and you need to select the same network that you have selected, which in my case is drawn on the TRC20 network. After selecting it, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address, which I'm not showing to you. So you just have to simply copy that from here, then come back to your Bitget wallet and paste the address in this receiving address section. After that, you just have to enter the amount of crypto that you want to transfer from here, and after filling these details, you just have to simply tap on the confirm button that would be in the bottom, and now your transaction will be initiated, and once it is completed, you will get your crypto from the Bitget wallet to your Binance Exchange. Now you need to remember that the transaction may take up to 5 to 10 minutes, so you just have to be patient and wait until you receive your crypto. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.